The Pure Flow Press Fire Sprinkler System is approved for NFPA 13D systems for 1 and 2 family dwellings. Viega's plastic fire sprinkler brackets incorporate mounting reference designators to assist in proper installation for each pendant type. These designators, A, B, and C, should be oriented per the mounting details outlined in Section 7, Mounting Sprinkler Fittings on page 25. Viega fire sprinkler fittings must be affixed to solid supports using number 8 by 1 1/2 or longer flathead wood or hex head screws. Installing fittings with the plastic bracket requires a minimum of 2 screws, one on each side of the attached pendant. Any fitting incorporating an integral mounting bracket must use a minimum of 3 screws. The following mounting details shown are typical joist installations, but also apply for other construction methods. Each standard fitting, without mounting flange, must have approved fasteners to the tubing, not over the fitting or press sleeves. In addition, the Viega sprinkler fittings are specially designed to affix the sprinkler head in place, so that during activation, the reaction forces caused by the flow of water through the sprinkler head will not displace the sprinkler head. Mounting conical concealed sprinkler. Place side C of the plastic bracket flush with the bottom edge of the joist to ensure proper mounting depth for conical concealed pendants. Mounting for flat concealed fire sprinkler. Place side A of the plastic bracket flush with the bottom edge of the joist to ensure proper mounting depth for flat concealed pendant. Mounting for recessed pendant, push-on thread-off type. Place side C of the plastic bracket flush with the bottom of the joist to ensure proper mounting depth for recessed pendant installations. Mounting for recessed sidewall pendant fire sprinkler on 2x4. Place side B of the plastic bracket flush with the facing edge of the stud to ensure proper mounting depth for recessed sidewall pendants. For fittings with integral mounting bracket, secure fitting to 2x4 wood blocking with 3 number 8 by 1 1/2 inch screws. The end of the sprinkler head should be a maximum of 7/8 inch away from the drywall. Place wall tee centered on stud to ensure proper mounting depth for recessed sidewall pendants. Additional mounting variations can be found within the Viega Pure Flow Fire Sprinkler System for Residential Applications installation manual.